National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Broomes Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 9:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alexandria to 6 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Deep Hole, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Cuckold Creek, Town Creek, Tangier Sound, Taylor's Island, Drum Point, Hongo River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Bivalve, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy, St. Inigo's Creek and Deal Island. Here is the region.